My name is Alex and I live in Denver, Colorado. I entered the Champion $50,000 home makeover at the Denver Home and Garden Show. After I put the entry in, I didn't think about it afterwards. Didn't have some kind of foresight thinking I'd win.
Alex and Kristen, it's my pleasure to present you with this check as an award for being the Champion $50,000 Home Exterior Makeover winner. Congratulations.
When I found out I had won, we were really excited, and my family and my in-laws, they were all amazed. Once we had won the $50,000 home makeover, we connected with the Denver office. Chris, the general manager, came out, kind of walked us through the product. We walked in through the home, and he was very helpful. We had a number of windows that were the original windows from 1990. They were drafty, hard to operate, and anytime there was humidity, you would see it on the windows. The condensation would build up. So we had all of those replaced with Champion's windows. The new windows are much easier to operate. Still get the amazing sunlight, but the temperature is much more consistent, and it's a very comfortable work environment, which has been amazing. We wanted to replace the doors. First of all, for the aesthetics, it was drafty. The back door was very hard to open and close. The new doors have definitely increased the curb appeal, I think. Just the quality of the doors, the quality of the glass work, it's a night and day difference. Replacing the doors and windows, there's no question that it increased the value of our home. It made our home more comfortable and more functional. The installation process with the crew went really smoothly. The crew made sure to communicate, and they cleaned up after themselves, so it was a very pleasant experience. For someone who is thinking about working with Champion, it's definitely worth going with them. They are considerate, it's an American company, and you ultimately get a really good product. For someone who's considering entering the contest, I would say go ahead and do it. You have nothing to lose. I entered and I won. I would recommend Champions, the company and the products, to friends and family, and I have.